In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your saved posts in LinkedIn. If you've ever come across a useful post, article, or update on LinkedIn and saved it to review later, it's helpful to know exactly where those saved items live so you can get back to them quickly. The good news is that LinkedIn keeps this very simple once you know where to look. To begin, make sure you're on your LinkedIn home feed. This is the main page you see after signing in, where your timeline of posts and updates appears. Once you're there, shift your attention to the left-hand sidebar. You'll usually find this section underneath your profile picture, along with a few shortcuts related to your account and activity. In that left-hand sidebar, look for the option labeled Saved Items and click on it. This is the area LinkedIn uses to store content you've chosen to save for later, so it's the main place you'll want to remember whenever you're trying to revisit something important. After you open Saved Items, click on Saved Posts and Articles. This will take you to your full collection of saved content, allowing you to view everything you've bookmarked in one place. From there, you can scroll through your saved items and open whichever post or article you want to revisit. This is especially useful if you save networking advice, job search tips, industry news, or long-form articles that you don't have time to read in the moment. Instead of searching through your feed again and hoping to find the same post, you can simply return to this section and access it much faster. One helpful tip is to check this area every so often and clear out anything you no longer need. That can make it easier to keep your saved section organized and more useful over time. If you save content regularly, this can become a great personal library of resources inside LinkedIn. And that's all it takes to find your saved posts in LinkedIn. Once you know the path from the home feed to the left-hand sidebar, then into saved items, and finally save posts and articles, the process becomes quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.